To make chicken and black bean chili, we start by removing the skin from 8 chicken thighs. Heat a large cast iron pot, add olive oil and the chicken. Cook for 2 minutes and flip. Add rough cut onions, celery, and carrots. Cover with water and bring to a boil. Turn down the heat and simmer for 45 minutes. Remove the chicken thighs from the liquid and reserve on a platter. Strain the liquid. This is good chicken stock. In a cast iron pot, heat olive oil, add diced onions, anaheim peppers, jalapenos, and some smoked chipotle peppers. Add chopped garlic, smoked andouille, and chorizo sausage. Cook. Add flour to soak up the oil and thicken the chili. Make a seasoning blend with a tablespoon of each: salt, pepper, garlic, cumin, chili powder, fennel seed. Add broth. Add black beans. Add Worcestershire, Tabasco, and red wine vinegar. Beans need lots of vinegar. Cook for about 20 minutes. Use an immersion blender to puree some of the beans. Not all. We want both textures, whole and puree. At this point, we've made some great black bean soup. But wait, there's more. Chop and add the chicken to the chili. Finish with fresh cilantro. To serve, pour into the large bowl, top with sour cream, tortilla strips, and cheddar cheese. This is chicken and black bean chili. I'm Peter Harmon, the Food Guru. If you like this recipe and want to print a copy, come to foodguru.com, where you can experience the world's first video cookbook. My video cookbook makes learning to cook quick, easy, and fun. Most cookbooks use only written instructions. Try to write instructions for how to roll an egg roll sometime, and you'll get the idea. My video cookbook combines 3 powerful ways to learn: pictures, written recipes, and videos. I'll walk you step by step through each recipe in only 90 seconds. The video cookbook is different from other cookbooks because it will continue to grow. Each week, we'll add new recipes, tips, and tricks. Your free membership allows you access to this week's 7 featured recipes, which are usually seasonal and current. Select the recipe, print the instructions, and watch the quick 90-second video. These recipes will change weekly, and you'll have access to this free recipe section as often as you like.